Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's not going to be hard to walk a mile in my shoes because I have the Merrell Moab 2 waterproof hiking boots. Love these shoes. I've always been a fan of the name brand Merrell's because there's lots of different styles. The reason why I like these particular shoes is, one, it's waterproof. You never know when you're going to run into water. It's raining, there's a river, there's a stream, you lose your balance. It's super important to have waterproof shoes if you're going to be going outdoor. I like how it does go up higher to give that support to the ankle, but it has really good cushion support all the way around. So it's not rubbing or irritating my ankles as I'm moving around. It has such good arch support and cushion where my toes and my heel go, which is extremely important, especially if you are going long distances. These are such good tread. It's really important to get nice, thick soles that have deep tread. You are definitely going to feel like hiking was not really as hard as you thought it was going to be with these shoes. But that's my point of view.